Benjamin Chatunga Mugabe, the youngest son of the Zimbabwe's late autocratic leader Robert Mugabe, has been fined 600,000 rand and ordered to be deported from South Africa following his conviction on firearm immigration offenses. His co-accused and cousin, Tobias Motonodze, who served as his bodyguard, received a 3-year prison sentence for more serious charges, including attempted murder. The judgment, handed down by Alexandra Magistrates Court on 29 April 2026, cast a harsh spotlight on the lavish and often controversial lives of the Mugabe scions in South Africa, far removed from the political power once wielded by the patriarch. Sanapina Mashko Branch Pachinsi, Chatunga Mugabe sentenced, fined 600,000 rands, ordered to go back to Zimbabwe. Podcast gets 3 years in prison. Don't bother subscribe or like out on the bell icon. The final judgment, delivered by the Alexandra Magistrate Court, brought a definitive end to the protracted legal battle. Chatunga Mugabe was ordered to pay a fine of 600,000 rand. The substantial financial penalty, coupled with the order for his deportation to Zimbabwe, marks a significant turning point in his life in South Africa. The deportation order underscores the seriousness of his immigration violations, effectively ending his unauthorized stay in the country. For Tobias Motonodze, the 3-year prison sentence means a period of incarceration, a stark contrast to his cousin's financial penalty and deportation. The differing sentences highlight the court's distinction between their respective roles and the severity of the crimes to which they pleaded guilty. Tomba developments are kudapangwa in a comment section. Videos of any more to be pumped up issue. So subscribe or like, watch it on the bell icon.